Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I am doing well today and ready to start working.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I am doing well today and ready to start working.
Did you arrive at the office early today?
Yes, I arrived early because I wanted enough time to prepare.
Did you arrive at the office early today?
Yes, I arrived early because I wanted enough time to prepare.
Was the traffic heavy this morning?
Yes, the traffic was heavy, but I still arrived on time.
Was the traffic heavy this morning?
Yes, the traffic was heavy, but I still arrived on time.
Did you have breakfast before coming here?
Yes, I had breakfast because I needed energy for today's work.
Did you have breakfast before coming here?
Yes, I had breakfast because I needed energy for today's work.
What tasks are you working on today?
I'm working on several important reports that must be finished today.
What tasks are you working on today?
I'm working on several important reports that must be finished today.
Do you have many meetings today?
Yes, I have meetings during the afternoon with our team members.
Do you have many meetings today?
Yes, I have meetings during the afternoon with our team members.
Are you feeling busy this morning?
Yes, I feel busy because I have many responsibilities to complete.
Are you feeling busy this morning?
Yes, I feel busy because I have many responsibilities to complete.
Did you check your emails already?
Yes, I checked my emails and replied to important messages earlier.
Did you check your emails already?
Yes, I checked my emails and replied to important messages earlier.
Was there anything important in your emails today?
Yes, there was an important message about tomorrow's office meeting.
Was there anything important in your emails today?
Yes, there was an important message about tomorrow's office meeting.
Do you enjoy working in this office?
Yes, I enjoy working here because the environment feels comfortable and friendly.
Do you enjoy working in this office?
Yes, I enjoy working here because the environment feels comfortable and friendly.
Are your coworkers helpful and supportive?
Yes, my coworkers are very helpful whenever I need assistance with work.
Are your coworkers helpful and supportive?
Yes, my coworkers are very helpful whenever I need assistance with work.
What do you usually do during lunch break?
I usually eat lunch and relax with my coworkers in the cafeteria.
What do you usually do during lunch break?
I usually eat lunch and relax with my coworkers in the cafeteria.
What did you bring for lunch today?
I brought rice and vegetables because I wanted a healthy meal.
What did you bring for lunch today?
I brought rice and vegetables because I wanted a healthy meal.
Do you drink coffee while working?
Yes, I drink coffee sometimes when I feel tired during work hours.
Do you drink coffee while working?
Yes, I drink coffee sometimes when I feel tired during work hours.
Are you working on any difficult projects now?
Yes, I am working on a project that requires careful planning and teamwork.
Are you working on any difficult projects now?
Yes, I am working on a project that requires careful planning and teamwork.
Do you enjoy teamwork in the office?
Yes, teamwork helps everyone complete tasks more quickly and successfully.
Do you enjoy teamwork in the office?
Yes, teamwork helps everyone complete tasks more quickly and successfully.
Did you finish yesterday's assignment?
Yes, I finished it last night before leaving the office.
Did you finish yesterday's assignment?
Yes, I finished it last night before leaving the office.
Was the assignment difficult to complete?
Some parts were difficult, but I solved the problems carefully.
Was the assignment difficult to complete?
Some parts were difficult, but I solved the problems carefully.
What time do you usually leave the office?
I usually leave around 5 o'clock after completing all my responsibilities.
What time do you usually leave the office?
I usually leave around 5 o'clock after completing all my responsibilities.
Do you sometimes work overtime?
Yes, I work overtime when the office becomes extremely busy.
Do you sometimes work overtime?
Yes, I work overtime when the office becomes extremely busy.
Do you feel stressed at work sometimes?
Yes, stressful situations happen sometimes, but I stay calm and focused.
Do you feel stressed at work sometimes?
Yes, stressful situations happen sometimes, but I stay calm and focused.
How do you manage stress at work?
I organize my tasks carefully and take short breaks when necessary.
How do you manage stress at work?
I organize my tasks carefully and take short breaks when necessary.
Do you enjoy talking with your coworkers?
Yes, friendly conversations make the workplace feel more comfortable and positive.
Do you enjoy talking with your coworkers?
Yes, friendly conversations make the workplace feel more comfortable and positive.
Did you attend the meeting this morning?
Yes, I attended the meeting and shared my ideas with the team.
Did you attend the meeting this morning?
Yes, I attended the meeting and shared my ideas with the team.
Was the meeting productive today?
Yes, the meeting was productive because we solved several important issues.
Was the meeting productive today?
Yes, the meeting was productive because we solved several important issues.
What are your plans after work today?
After work, I plan to relax at home and spend time with family.
What are your plans after work today?
After work, I plan to relax at home and spend time with family.
Are you feeling tired right now?
Yes, I feel a little tired because today has been very busy.
Are you feeling tired right now?
Yes, I feel a little tired because today has been very busy.
Do you enjoy learning new skills at work?
Yes, learning new skills helps me improve and become more confident.
Do you enjoy learning new skills at work?
Yes, learning new skills helps me improve and become more confident.
What skills are you trying to improve now?
I'm trying to improve my communication and problem-solving skills at work.
What skills are you trying to improve now?
I'm trying to improve my communication and problem-solving skills at work.
Do you use English often in the office?
Yes, I use English during meetings and professional conversations every day.
Do you use English often in the office?
Yes, I use English during meetings and professional conversations every day.
Is English important in your workplace?
Yes, English is important because it helps us communicate professionally.
Is English important in your workplace?
Yes, English is important because it helps us communicate professionally.
Do you feel confident speaking English at work?
Yes, I feel more confident now because I practice every day consistently.
Do you feel confident speaking English at work?
Yes, I feel more confident now because I practice every day consistently.
What helps you improve your English communication?
Practicing conversations and listening carefully helps me improve my English skills.
What helps you improve your English communication?
Practicing conversations and listening carefully helps me improve my English skills.
Did you complete all your work today?
Yes, I completed everything before the end of the working hours.
Did you complete all your work today?
Yes, I completed everything before the end of the working hours.
Are you satisfied with your work today?
Yes, I feel satisfied because I finished all my important responsibilities successfully.
Are you satisfied with your work today?
Yes, I feel satisfied because I finished all my important responsibilities successfully.
Do you like your job overall?
Yes, I like my job because it helps me learn and grow professionally.
Do you like your job overall?
Yes, I like my job because it helps me learn and grow professionally.
What makes a workplace comfortable for employees?
Friendly co-workers and good communication make workplaces comfortable and productive.
What makes a workplace comfortable for employees?
Friendly co-workers and good communication make workplaces comfortable and productive.
Do you enjoy helping other coworkers?
Yes, helping co-workers creates teamwork and improves workplace relationships greatly.
Do you enjoy helping other coworkers?
Yes, helping co-workers creates teamwork and improves workplace relationships greatly.
Are you ready for tomorrow's work schedule?
Yes, I already prepared everything for tomorrow's important tasks and meetings.
Are you ready for tomorrow's work schedule?
Yes, I already prepared everything for tomorrow's important tasks and meetings.
Did you enjoy your workday today?
Yes, today was busy, but I enjoyed completing my work successfully.
Did you enjoy your workday today?
Yes, today was busy, but I enjoyed completing my work successfully.